So you may have noticed I haven't done a couple of videos in the past 2 weeks, and there's been a reason behind that. So basically, I decided to take a bit of a break from all of my online marketing activities, especially when it comes to building my YouTube channel. And I thought, it's something that I should speak about in the short video where when we get involved in a marketing journey, especially if you're an affiliate marketer or someone that is promoting something online, it's very easy to lose momentum, especially if you're going consistently non-stop and you kind of, feel like you're losing track because you get inundated with your plans, with information that you need to absorb. And obviously, the kind of information you're trying to put out is quality information. But sometimes what happens is that quantity can often result in less of quality. So what I really was doing was taking a break in terms of evaluating my strategy when it comes to my marketing online, especially as an affiliate marketer, and obviously reevaluating how I build my channel going forward. So it's something that I want to suggest is that if you are starting out as an affiliate marketer or you're someone that has obviously started building a specific type of channel like a YouTube channel or whatever kind of social media channel it is, it's very important to look at occasional breaks where you can actually think about how you're progressing, what are your objectives going forward, and how do you sort of build your brand from there. And this is an important lesson because previously what used to happen, especially with me, is that I would get some really good momentum when it comes to building videos, especially for my YouTube channel. And very often, what can happen is if there's no proper planning, you tend to kind of lose focus and kind of diverge in terms of the focus areas that you want to speak about, especially on video. And very often with that, what happens is that the quality can start getting diluted. So my focus really was to look at how could I actually streamline my process around my YouTube channel, especially when it comes to one, planning for the kind of content that I want to speak about. Two, how I plan around that content. So that means things like actually shooting videos, recording videos when I load them, and then obviously creating a process whereby I can do it in a time which is obviously quiet for me and I can focus. So that's the reason for the last 2 weeks I've been pretty quiet on the channel. And I've also thought about how do I actually take myself forward in terms of a brand and also building my YouTube channel. And the thing is that, I've looked at a few strategies that I want to focus on in terms of how I can obviously grow as a brand, but at the same time, obviously, promote certain products as an affiliate, but at the same time, promote value for you, the audience, because that's what it really is about. And hopefully, in the process, I can help as many people also who are looking to sort of start their affiliate marketing journey or they're trying to obviously build it from a certain level. So taking breaks are really important. If you often think about when you are, let's say you're a person who is working a 9 to 5, there's a reason occasionally you would take a break, like a holiday break or leave, because you need that sort of break to pause your brain to think about, where you are as a person, where you've come from, and where are you going. And so often, sometimes what happens is, as a marketer, especially an affiliate marketer, it's very easy to get stuck in the process whereby we get addicted by our results, our objectives, and we keep pushing ourselves to the point of maybe even exhaustion. So that's the reason I needed to take a break. I felt some of my videos, especially in the recent ones, I kind of felt they were not kind of providing the depth that I really wanted to achieve, which could obviously provide value to you as an audience. And that's why I felt that I had to sort of relook at some of the things that I speak about. So I actually thought, with my new video starting from a break, it'd be actually ideal to talk about actually doing breaks as a marketer. So this is a very short video really to tell you, what has happened recently, why I took the break and kind of the things I want to focus on. So, I'd like to know from your side as a marketer, especially if you're watching this or you're an affiliate marketer, what are some of the things that you found really helped you in terms of taking breaks, changing your daily method of operation? And the reason I ask this is because your insights can also provide value to others that may be watching this channel as well. So it'll be great to hear your comments, and I'll see you in some upcoming videos. Take care. Bye.